Alright, I'm going to go over some Ibotta tips and tricks today.
Now, the best thing to do with Ibotta is really to use it for store-back credit. Store-back credit is like the biggest one you can use it for. And then also sometimes they'll have special things on here like Hulu, $15 cash back. Like you're actually making money just by joining Hulu. You're actually making money. And then you use this along with gift cards as well. That's a big way to do it, is use the cash back with gift cards. And then another cool thing to do is, like I said, to use alcohol, because alcohol purchases are probably one of the best ones on here. Boom, Bud Light, $7 off for 2 18 packs. I mean, that's pretty good. $3 off some Crown Royal, $2 off some Yingling. It's a very easy thing to do to just scan a receipt and get going with it. Now, a quick way to make more money is to take one of the cheaper ones, like, say, the jerky, the mustard, or whatever. Actually, no, I'll go to a better one. So say like this drink, 35 cents off. If you got one of these around you, or just something similar, like just buy a bunch of them and buy them all separately, so there's all separate receipts. And then whenever you ask someone to join, just be like, hey, just scan this receipt. I'll show you how to use it, and let's just do it really fast, because then you make $5 for every referral, and they get $10 just for joining, because you get $10 just for joining Ibotta. So if you haven't joined it yet, I do have a referral link in the description, and I have a bunch of other free cash apps that you can check out. If you like this video and it helps you out, please give it a like and subscribe. Y'all have a good day.